Google really needs to rethink how it handles its Pixel Pro phones. For years, all Pixel models, whether it's the regular Pixel, the Pro, the Fold, or the budget-friendly A series, have come with the exact same processor, on paper. This sounds fair because everyone gets the same features. But in reality, it creates a big problem. The Pro models, which cost a lot more money, don't offer the kind of performance you'd expect from a Pro device. This year is no exception. The Pixel 10 series is launching tomorrow, August 20th, and it will come with Google's new Tensor G5 chip. At first, this sounded exciting because for the first time, Google fully designed this chip in-house, with TSMC handling the production. Instead of Samsung, many people thought this meant a big step forward. But based on what we've seen so far, the improvements may not be as dramatic as expected. The Pixel 10 family doesn't seem to be a massive upgrade over the Pixel 9. The design is very similar, and there aren't many big changes that stand out. Most of the buzz has been about the Tensor G5 chip, but early benchmark results show it's not on the same level as its rivals. On Antutu, the Tensor G5 scores just over 1.1 million points. Compare that to the Snapdragon 8 Elite in the Galaxy S25 Ultra, which scores more than 2.1 million. That's nearly double the performance. It's not just a small gap, it's huge. Of course, Pixel phones have never been marketed as raw performance machines. Google usually highlights AI features and the camera experience. The Tensor G5 is expected to do well in AI tasks, and it also comes with a much better GPU, so gaming will feel smoother than before. For everyday users, it will be good enough. But here's the catch. Whether you buy the regular $799 Pixel 10, the $1,000 Pixel 10 Pro, or even the $1,800 Pixel 10 Pro Fold, you're getting the same exact chip. That doesn't really feel like a pro experience. Apple, on the other hand, does things differently. For example, the iPhone 16 Pro uses the A18 Pro chip, while the standard iPhone 16 gets the regular A18. There's a clear difference in performance between the two. If you pay more, you get more power. It feels fair and makes the Pro models worth their price. Google doesn't give buyers that distinction. It's like making everyone run at the same pace, even if some are capable of running faster. That makes sense in a group activity, but in smartphones, it just doesn't, and this matters. If you're paying a premium for a Pixel Pro, you should be getting more than just a better camera, extra RAM, or a bigger display. A Pro-level chip would justify the higher price and make the device feel truly premium. But instead, all Pixel models are held back by sharing the same processor. Google's priorities are clear. It cares most about AI, photography, and Pixel-exclusive software. Features like call screening, live translation, and magic eraser. Those are all great features that make the Pixel stand out. But performance still matters, especially when people are paying over $1,000. Buyers expect smooth multitasking, console-quality gaming, and enough power for the phone to last several years without slowing down. Right now, the Tensor G5 falls short compared to Apple's A series chips and Qualcomm's Snapdragon flagships. It feels like Google has limited its Pro lineup by refusing to give it extra horsepower. That's disappointing for anyone hoping the Pixel Pro series would finally compete with the very best phones on the market. Of course, it's too late to change anything for the Pixel 10 series. The launch is tomorrow, and all the models will come with the Tensor G5. But looking ahead, Google has an opportunity with the Pixel 11. If Google really wants to make its Pro lineup stand out, it should give those models a different processor, something faster, something truly worthy of the Pro name. The Tensor G5 itself isn't a bad chip. It will handle daily tasks easily, take amazing photos, and deliver Google's unique AI features. But when you add the Pro label and a $1,000 price tag, expectations rise. People want to feel that they're buying the best of the best. Right now, the Pixel 10 Pro lineup risks feeling underwhelming simply because it doesn't separate itself from the regular Pixel in performance. The message to Google is simple: let the Pro models be truly Pro. Stop holding them back with the same processor as the cheaper versions. Give buyers the extra power they deserve. Otherwise, Pixels will always be known as AI-focused phones with great cameras, but never as true performance flagships, and Google should be aiming higher than that.